Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have a Born Pretty store review of this beautiful stamping plate called the Flower Yarn S002. Check it out, guys. I love this little stamping plate. Look at it. As you can tell, it has the layered images. So if you would see, you have your butterfly backdrop here, and then you have the outline, and then here are the flowers. Although I will tell you, with these flowers, you see how the butterflies, these two, they go straight to their outline. These flowers are more like crisscross, because I can tell from the size. So this backdrop will go to this outline, and this backdrop will go to that outline. I hope that makes sense. And I like this because so we have the patterns here, and so you can layer these on top of these backdrops that you can stamp on different colors. So I do like that. And as you can see, it has the protective film that I'm going to go ahead and remove. There it is. Beautiful stamping plate. This is your standard square stamping plate. It has the protective Born Pretty store logo on the back, and it came on this sleeve, very nicely packaged, and it was sealed, so you can see, and that's where it came. So we are going to go ahead, I'm actually going to go ahead and do a design using this stamping plate over my nails, and the base that I have on is this Azure gel glittery purple polish right here, and this one's number Y24. This one is available on Amazon. I will have the link down below. I also do have a 10% discount code from Born Pretty store. I will have it and the link to this beautiful stamping plate down in the description bar below, so you guys can get to it and check it out. Now we'll go ahead and leave you with the design. I hope you guys enjoy. So here's the final result, my manicure with this beautiful stamping plate. What do you guys think? Now these layer images, being that they're the tiny ones, I don't mind them. They're pretty easy to apply even on my curved nails since they're the smaller images. Yeah, and with two colors, I find it pretty easy. I love this plate. I mean, you look at it, you can see, I mean, it stamps very well, really good quality. So yes, I'm looking forward to doing more designs with this one. And so you have these beautiful flowers like I put on my middle finger and my pinky, and then I did the backdrop here, and then the black and gold with the layers, the butterflies, and then these flowers. So there you guys have it, another beautiful good quality stamping plate from Born Pretty store. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below, as well as my discount code, and I will scroll that one at the bottom of the screen. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me this beautiful stamping plate to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my review and my design, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.